nice to come out and do something that you wouldn't normally do every day. You know, it's not every day that you blow up a car.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Usually we're doing quite static stuff, and to actually shoot pretty much an action sequence was a good experience.
We're always doing like comedies or dramas.
Yeah, sort of genre and do something a bit different.
Yeah.
And action.
It's a great opportunity for students to see, I guess, everyday film set practice, which we don't get to do because it's quite extravagant. Yet, in the real world, it's not that extravagant at all.
Alright, and turn over. And action.
So just getting used to safety officers and being able to only shoot something once, and the fact that you've got to be careful and organised, and being organised is more important rather than doing everything in a hurry.